In the last 6 months, 6 Huntsville police officers have been arrested for various crimes. While some have already been fired, others remain on administrative leave pending investigation. But do their arrests not disqualify them from being a police officer? Can someone who's been arrested join local law enforcement? Let's verify. Police officers trained to know and to enforce the law, and we expect them to follow those laws as well. But that's not always the case. Officers can be arrested, charged, and incarcerated for the same crimes they're tasked with enforcing. But does an arrest disqualify them from the job? Can someone who's been arrested become a police officer? We verify. Our sources are the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency and the Alabama Peace Officers Standards and Training Commission. According to the Alabama Peace Officers Standards and Training Commission, Administrative Code, conviction of any felony completely bars someone from becoming a police officer. They note that a pardon does not negate this rule. In fact, conviction regarding any conduct in any jurisdiction punishable by a sentence of more than 1 year in Alabama makes a candidate ineligible. An otherwise eligible applicant who has received an expungement of any felony or misdemeanor involving force, violence, or moral turpitude is required to submit to a review for eligibility prior to appointment as a law enforcement officer. Conviction for a misdemeanor does not automatically disqualify a candidate, but may be considered as a factor in evaluating fitness as a law enforcement officer. All registered sex offenders are prohibited from becoming police officers. The arrest of any certified law enforcement officer for any felony or misdemeanor offense must be immediately reported to the commission for review. Any applicant who has criminal charges pending before any court, is on probation, or is the subject of a protection order is barred from becoming a police officer until any and all criminal charges have been dismissed. Simply being arrested does not automatically disqualify someone from joining law enforcement. It depends on whether that arrest results in a conviction, dismissal, or expungement. However, each individual law enforcement agency may have their own additional standards as well. For example, ALEA will not employ anyone with a domestic violence conviction or a documented history of domestic reports or calls. So we can verify that yes, someone who has been arrested can become a police officer under some circumstance and at the agency's discretion. And if you have something you want us to verify, text us at 256-382-2692.